Good morning, kids. How are you, students? Students, see, beta. Today we are discussing chapter 4, Food for Health. In this chapter, we discuss about the sources of food, types of food, and meals in a day, and some golden eating habits. Now, see, beta, sources of food. Beta, we get food from the plants and animals. And there are three types of foods: energy giving foods, body building foods, and protective foods. What are the energy giving foods, students? Foods that give us energy to work and play are called energy giving foods, like rice, potato, sugar. These all are example of energy giving foods. Now second is body building foods. The food makes our bones and muscles strong, and body building food help us to grow, like egg, meat, milk are example of body building foods. Now third one is protective foods. Foods those protect us from the disease, like fruits and vegetables. So these are the three types of foods: energy giving food, body building food, and protective foods. Now students, see, vegetarians, non-vegetarians, and over-vegetarian. Students, what are the vegetarians? People who eat plant product and milk product are called vegetarians. And what are the non-vegetarians? People who eat plant products and milk products along with eggs and meats are called non-vegetarians. Now third type is over-vegetarians. Who are the over-vegetarians? People are the vegetarians who eat eggs but not eat milk, dairy products. जो एग्स तो खाते हैं लेकिन डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं खाते, वो लोग कहलाते हैं ओवर वेजिटेरियंस. Now students, see, meals. Beta, mainly we eat three major meals in a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is the first meal of the day, and we take it in the morning. And lunch is the second meal of the day, and we take lunch in noon. And dinner is the last meal of the day, and we take dinner at night. So these are the three meals of the day. So now some golden eating habits. Yes, beta, we should follow the eating habits to stay healthy. We should wash our hands before and after every meal. We should wash fruits and vegetables before each, and eat fresh and clean foods. Eat food at a fixed time in a day, and chew food properly. Don't speak while eating. हमें खाना खाते समय नहीं बोलना चाहिए. And wash fruits and vegetables before cooking. And do not overeat. कभी भी हमें ज़्यादा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. And do not waste the foods. And we should take plenty of water in a day. And always avoid junk foods. So dear student, this is the summary of the chapter. You should read this chapter. Okay. Now we discuss some new words. Now students, there are some new words. See, DISEASES, disease. UNDIGESTED, undigest. PRODUCTS, products. OVEREAT, overeat. PLENTY, plenty. FLAVOUR, flavor. TASTY, tasty. RAW, raw. DIGEST, digest. And FIBRE, fiber. Now let's just discuss some word meaning. See, word meaning. First is stale food. What's the meaning of stale food, beta? Not fresh. NOT, not. FRESH, not fresh. Now disease means illness. ILLNESS, illness. energy, power. Power, power. Now quantity, quantity, quantity means amount. amount, amount. Now require, require, require means beta need, and need, need. Still food, not fresh, disease, illness, energy, power, quantity, amount, and require, need. Now see, define these. Now student, define these. Here are 4 define these: balanced diet, energy giving foods, body building foods, and protective foods. First, balanced diet. What's a balanced diet, beta? A diet that has all the 3 types of food in the right amount is called a balanced diet. What's a balanced diet? A diet that has all the 3 types of food in the right amount. Now, energy giving foods. Foods that give us energy to do work, play, and other activities. Foods that give us energy to do work, play, and other activities like rice, sugar, potato, wheat, etc. Now, bodybuilding foods, food that help us to build our muscles and bones like milk, egg, etc. Now, protective foods, foods those protect us from the disease like fruits and vegetables. So, these are the define these, students. Now, see beta, some book exercise. Let's discuss. Put the tick on the correct option. Beta, here are 2 MCQs given. See, it is a spice. Cloves, broccoli, potato. First you should know what's the spice. Spice मसाला. मसाला क्या है? क्लॉव्स है, ब्रोकली है, पोटैटो है. बताइए क्लॉव्स. सो फर्स्ट का आंसर है ए, क्लॉव. CLOVES. Now next, it is an energy giving food. Fruits, pulses, rice. Yes, which is the energy giving food beta? Rice. So second का है आपका आंसर C, rice. Now next exercise, complete the web. Kind of foods, energy giving foods, body building food or protective food. And here we have to write like these, see kinds of food. So this web you have to complete like this. See, first ENERGY, energy giving food. Second beta, body building food. And third one is protective food. And here you have to write two example of each. So tell me the 2 example of energy giving food. Yes beta. Butter. I use red pen. Now 2 example of energy giving food मेरे बच्चे. Butter, sugar, and you can write here potato, wheat also. Body building food, milk, eggs, या pulses, PULSES. Eggs also you can write. Now protective foods, food, fruits and vegetables, VEGETABLES, vegetables. So this is the book exercise. Okay, and next is name the food item that you usually eat for 3 meals. Here you write your food item, those you take in breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now let's discuss some question answers. See beta. Now students, see, here are 5 question answer. Let's discuss. Why do we need food? हमें भोजन की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है बताइए. We all need food to grow and stay healthy. What is the answer? We all need food to grow and stay healthy. Why must we drink water? Beta, we must plenty of water in a day because it helps to digest the food. हमें पानी ज़्यादा पीना चाहिए क्योंकि ये हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है. नाउ हु आर ओवा वेजिटेरियन? यस स्टूडेंट, हु आर ओवा वेजिटेरियन? पीपल हु ईट, yes student, people who eat eggs but not eat dairy products are called ova vegetarian. People who eat eggs but not eat dairy products are called ova vegetarians. Now next, name the meals eaten in a day. Beta, there are 3 major meals in a day. First, breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. Second, lunch, lunch. And third one is dinner, dinner, dinner. Now next question is, state any 3 good eating habits. Beta, we should follow so many good eating habits. Now we have to write here 3 good eating habits. Okay. Now see, eat fresh and clean food. We always eat fresh and clean food. Now wash hands before and after every meal. We have to wash our hands before and after every meal. And third one, chew food properly. हमें हमारा खाना अच्छे से चबाना चाहिए. And we do not overeat. We always avoid junk foods. And before cooking the food, we have to wash the fruits and vegetables. And we it's like this, so many good habits. Okay, so dear students, these are the 5 question answer we discussed here. So this is the revision of chapter 4, food for health. You should read this chapter again and learn these all exercises, new words, word meaning, define these and question answer from the notebook and book exercise from the book. Okay, thank you, bye bye.